Argent Industrial's listing on the JSE is as old as our democracy. It celebrates its 20 years of being listed this year. The company CEO, Treve Hendry, joins us now for tell us a couple of stories about the company. Trev, good morning to you.
Morning.
First of all, just it's a company that's been in the news when the results come out, otherwise not so much above the radar. Just give us the context, what you do. Quite a diverse company.
Yes, we started for 3 acquisitions 20 years ago in the steel game, manufacturing. We then diversified into steel trading and then added a number of brands on, Jetmaster, Expander, Costa and Ladder, Cedar Paint.
Those are a couple of household names, Jetmaster, Cedar Paint.
Yes. Subsequent to that, I went through 2008. We had a big drop-off in the commodity market, and we then diversified ourselves into getting out of a vertical integration and started concentrating on our brands only.
Just take us back before you started. You mentioned started with 3 acquisitions. Where did you come from, and where did you? What was the scale of what you were doing when the company listed?
Me personally, I started 1 year after the listing. So
okay, but the scale of the company before the listing?
It was a property owning company. We came out of the Scurrock Group, and we had a number of their properties in our portfolio, and then listed off that.
What used to be known as, depending on how you pronounce it, Scurrock-Huizen.
Scurrock-Huizen Holdings.
Yeah, Scurrock-Huizen. Okay, so looking at your total return index, that's where you take the performance of the share price and reinvestment, assume reinvestment of dividends. Hasn't been a great performance over the past 10 years, except for the last year where you've got 1,174 Rand back for your 1,000 Rand. But you mentioned that 2008 slump, and that was clearly key in this period.
Yeah, we're vertically integrated, which meant that we secure the steel, we manufacture the steel, and then we sell the end product. So as the market dipped off in 2008, you then literally had to incur the losses on all 3 tiers.
Looking at what you say you do, innovation, speed, delivery, service. Now that sounds impressive. Lots of companies say they're into innovation, doing things quickly, delivery to the customers and service. What are some of the ways that you've developed? I mean, is there an Argent way of doing things where you've worked out ways that put you ahead of the pack?
Yeah, we're 26 operations. They're all independent. They're run individually. They're accounted for individually. So we try and we do keep the entrepreneurial spirit.
Decentralized, in other words.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's worked well.
And the stars of the show, which are they?
Depends on the market at the moment. It's probably Toolroom, which is into steel manufacturing of lockers and cupboards, and then Expander, security, Jetmaster, Costa and Ladder is doing very well at the moment.
What about the economy? Everyone talks about consumers being stretched. Now, some of your operations are exposed to consumers, and it looks as if consumers are going to be stretched for a while, and interest rates are likely to go up, if not sooner, then certainly in the midterm. Yes. So what's your perspective of all these different businesses with the economy where it is?
I think across the spectrum of 26, 20 of them are probably small enough to be able to eat into somebody else's market share. On the bigger ones, we've got either a 60% majority market, or like Expander, of course, we benefit from the downturn of the economy.
That is Treve Hendry. He is CEO of Argent Capital.